Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious zucchini casserole from start to finish. We'll begin by preparing the zucchini, ensuring it's ready for baking. Then, we'll mix all the wonderful ingredients together to create a harmonious blend of flavors. Finally, I'll guide you through the baking process and offer some delightful serving suggestions. Get ready to create a comforting and satisfying meal that everyone will love. First, let's get our zucchini ready. You'll want about 2 pounds of fresh zucchini, sliced into nice, even 1/4 inch rounds. Place these slices in a colander and sprinkle them with 1 teaspoon of salt. This step is crucial for drawing out excess moisture, preventing a watery casserole. Let them sit for about 30 minutes, then pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This ensures your casserole will have the perfect texture. Now let's assemble our delicious casserole. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, combine your dried zucchini with 1 cup of shredded cheese, 2 beaten eggs, and 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Add your favorite seasonings, like a pinch of black pepper and a dash of garlic powder, mixing everything gently until well combined. Then, transfer this flavorful mixture into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish, spreading it evenly. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your creation. Place your casserole in the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is beautifully golden brown and the edges are bubbly. Once out of the oven, let it rest for about 10 minutes. This allows the casserole to set, making it easier to serve. Enjoy your warm zucchini casserole as a delightful side dish or a light, satisfying main course. It's truly delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.